Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mobile Freak and today we'll unbox and did a quick setup on this Xiaomi Poco F3 with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage in this night black color. So I'll show you a real specification here if you can see that. Let me give a quick zoom here, focus, sorry. So that's it, Poco F3, this is the box, everything is fine. Let me again just give autofocus on this S20 FE. It's not the best one. I don't know what is wrong right now. Let me give this. Yeah, that's it. And we will just cut this here. That's it. One more. Something like this. And I'll just remove this one. And remove the whole thing because we don't need that. Boom, that's it. So let's just unbox this one. It's going really slow. I think it's really packed well. That's it. So welcome to Poco family. Like Poco X3 Pro, we have same on this one. The second says Poco, and here is the, we'll just move this one here. This is SIM injection tool, some more Poco stickers. Well, this is the only Poco stickers. This one is just some leather. And we have this user guide and a lot of things. This is for USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. And here is the standard silicone case, which is really pretty standard. Nothing special, nothing from the print. And let's move this inside, give this to the side, and here is the phone by itself. I will first remove that, set on the side, and check what we have in the box. So this is a standard cable, USB Type-C to USB standard. I think this is called USB-E. And this is the brick of 33-watt charger to come in the box. Try to remove this plastic so you can see everything, but I think you can see even. Again, no focus here, so we will do something like this, and that's exactly it. Let me do the focus again. And that's it. Let's move that all on the side. We don't need anything, and here is the phone by itself. So it says Poco F3 Snapdragon 870 with 5G connectivity, 120 Hz of refresh rate with AMOLED display, Dolby Atmos dual speakers, high resolution 48 megapixel triple camera, and it's pretty standard for 48 megapixel. It's nothing special if you ask me, but we'll also test it out. So let's just remove this kind of stuff. Okay, need this, and remove this sticker from the back. And there is the phone. I will apply this on the, something like this. Yeah, that's great. And here is the phone by itself. So this is the camera. It's, you know, look weird for me because this is my first time I see something like this. It says here Poco, and let's boot this a little bit, boot this up so you can see there is a home button, there is a volume up and volume down, buttons. Also on top we have that, speakers. On the left side, nothing really, and on the bottom we have this, for SIM port for charging and single speaker. So this one says MIUI, and we have also this screen protector pre-installed. So let's just a second, like this one say, and go with English, Serbia, no problem, Gboard. Let's set this one, skip this step. Nothing. I will set my internet connection here. Okay, I can tell you right now that this one have a really good taptic feedback for this typing I did right now. For me, it's really good. Let's give him some, no, don't copy anything. Accept everything here, like every single time. Skip, skip. More, accept, just a second. This is really pretty basic stuff, and I do this around 5 or 10 times at a day, something like that, because I work in the, phone store, and we're doing this like robots right now. It's really easy. I don't even look what I'm doing, but the only what you can skip, which is important, is that part when you want to back up everything to your phone, and that part is important, because after you start this one, you will need to do that manual. So basically, let's give him a couple of more seconds. Is this phone fat or thick? Something in the middle. It's not fat, but it's not even that slim, I can say that. But still for Xiaomi phone, it's not really thick. I can say that it's not really thick. Skip this one also. And skip, I don't need any Mi account. Give everything, setup complete, and you are ready to rock. And I don't see 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but we got that adapter for that one. And here we go. This wallpaper look really great. Okay, that was some first lag. What is this? I'm not sure. Maybe because it's really new, and yeah, because of that, 100%. Let's go to settings and see. Yeah, this phone need to be updated. We'll go to display and set this standard refresh rate to 120 Hz. I need that because this phone, yeah, it looks already great. So there is a lot of things that we'll just need to install in the background, but that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll show you again. Settings, about phone. This is Poco F3 with 128 GB of internal storage. Of course, I think the standard one is with 6 128, and that's pretty much it. This was the, I think, night black, yeah, night black color, and it's pretty good for me. It's something like silver, or it's like mirror. It's not that black, if you ask me. It's like mirror. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and like always, we will see you in the next one. Peace.